Now, what is the causal body? The causal body comes from the word karnik sharir. Karnik just means causal or to happen, karma, right? Kar. And sharir just means body. This body is consisted of the element ether. It has all the other elements as well. However, it's mostly ether. And it's the largest body, right? Ether is most of there is in this world. You go by science, the space element is everywhere. Now, that's governed by sound. This is where your spirit is, and this is where sound lives. So, this is also the 5D world, or the dimensions after 5D. This is where you go within and you create. So, this is all about meditation, yoga, and all the inner work that one does. So, this is very abstract here. Now, down here, the astral body, it's in the word astral, relates to astrology. It relates to the planets, time. All these things are in the astral. And time really exists in the mind. So, what you think, your thoughts, ideas, is all in the mind, and it's all part of the 4D. You can go back in time by thinking, you can go in the future by thinking. Even astral travel, things of that nature happen with the astral body. And that's ruled by the air element. Because air is very airy-fairy. It's all over the place. You have a thought after another after another. That's what the air element does. So for this, we'll be learning a really special science called Brahmanda Jyotish. This is different from other kind of Jyotish or other kind of astrology. This is based on the body. As within, so without, right? So all the planets are also within us as well. So I will take that approach where you're not bound by the planets outside if you can work on the planets inside. You can transcend the planets outside by working on the planets that are inside you. Then we have the physical body. This is anything you can see, right? Anything you can feel, touch, grab. The three elements that rule the physical body are fire, water, and earth. Now you need fire to see, you need water for life, and you need earth to have this physical experience. So that's the 3D world, right? The 3 dimensions. And for this, we're going to work with Ayurveda. Ayur means life, Veda means knowledge. So the knowledge of life, or the science of life. This stuff will be mostly what we cover, because I feel like once we can really understand our physical body, does it only really make sense to go to the astral body? And then only when we really understand the astral, does it really make sense to go to the causal? There's steps. So the last thing I want to leave you guys with is that the goal is to transcend all these 3 states and get to the 4th state, which is called Turiya. The 4th state is when you're one with everything, when you're one with the 3 bodies, and you feel one with the universe. And this is the whole intention of this course. I don't want you guys to feel like this is a burden. I want you guys to have fun and transcend and learn more about yourself and go to that place of just watching. You're just being the witness. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next.